Hi guys, welcome to Loving My Nonna Life. I'm Carm and today I'm excited to be sharing with you my mom's potato croquettes. This was always a favorite and still is in my family. Alright, let's do this. Boil the potatoes until they've softened. Drain them, mash them. Here I'm using a ricer. You could use a potato masher if you like. Once the potatoes have cooled a bit, you add the eggs and salt, pepper to your tasting, grated cheese, parsley. This really is a simple recipe. So you lightly beat the eggs with a fork. So eyeballing about half a cup of the mashed potato. You shape them into rounds or log forms like I'm doing there. You dip them in the eggs and then you coat them with the breadcrumbs. I usually refrigerate mine for about an hour because I find that they fry up better. They stay together. So in a skillet you heat about an inch high worth of vegetable oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Start frying up your croquettes. They don't take long, so you want to keep your eye on them. Once I remove them from the fry pan, I usually drain them on a paper towel. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back for more videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.